Ever wondered how successful projects are scoped? Well, project scoping is the heartbeat of project management. It's a roadmap, guiding teams from inception to completion, streamlining processes and ensuring all bases are covered. It's like the DNA of a project, containing all the information necessary for its life cycle. From understanding requirements, to defining the scope and breaking down work structures, project scoping is the secret sauce that contributes to the success of a project. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each component of project scoping. The first step in project scoping is requirements gathering. This is where the magic begins. It's about diving deep, going beyond the surface to understand the needs and expectations of your stakeholders. Every project is a puzzle, and the requirements are the pieces. You see, requirements gathering is a bit like detective work. You'll need to ask questions, listen actively, and sometimes read between the lines. You play the role of an investigator, piecing together a picture of what the stakeholders truly want and need. This step is not just about collecting information, it's about understanding. It's about gaining insights into the problem at hand and envisioning the solution. It's about creating a shared understanding with everyone involved in the project. A clear understanding of the requirements is crucial because it forms the foundation of your project scope. It helps you determine what needs to be done and how to do it. So remember, when it comes to project scoping, it all starts with requirements gathering. Now that we have gathered our requirements, we move on to defining the project scope. With requirements in hand, we proceed to define the project scope. The process of defining project scope is akin to charting a course for a voyage. It's about outlining the project's goals, the destination we're striving to reach. These goals illuminate the path and give our project a purpose. Next, we lay out the deliverables. These are the tangible outcomes, products, or services that will be delivered at the end of the project. Think of them as the landmarks along our journey. Tasks are the steps we need to take to reach these landmarks. They're the actions we must perform, the work that needs to be done. Then we estimate the costs and set the deadlines. This involves careful planning and realistic forecasting. We need to know how much resources we'll expend and how long it'll take us to reach our destination. By defining the project scope clearly, we're setting a foundation for the next step, creating a work breakdown structure. With our project scope defined, we're now ready to break down the project into manageable tasks. The final step in project scoping is creating a work breakdown structure. Let's delve into the concept of a work breakdown structure, or WBS. You can think of it as the backbone of your project. It's an essential tool that helps us divide the project into smaller, more manageable tasks. Picture it like a tree, with the project as the trunk and the tasks as the branches. Creating a WBS isn't just about breaking things down. It's about understanding, organizing, and categorizing tasks in a way that makes sense for your project. It helps us see the big picture while keeping track of the smallest details. Why is a WBS so important, you ask? Well, it ensures that no task is overlooked. It's like a checklist on steroids. It keeps us on track, helps us allocate resources efficiently, and facilitates clear communication among team members. And there you have it, a scoped project ready for execution. To recap, project scoping is a critical step in project management. We've journeyed through the process, starting with requirements gathering, a crucial stage that sets the foundation. We then moved on to defining the project scope, which gives us a clear direction. Finally, we dove into creating a work breakdown structure, an essential tool for organizing and dividing tasks. Remember, a well-scoped project is a stepping stone to project success. Until next time, keep managing your project smartly. Goodbye.